Good afternoon from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. It's actually the afternoon because today is my daughter's birthday and we said that we were ending at 1 o'clock, so I just dropped off my last order. We're heading home, positioning the vehicle for the auto glass repairman to do his magic and get this vehicle back up to spec and be safe out there on the road. So tonight my daughter and the rest of the family are going out to dinner, not sure where yet, and we're going to go out and watch the Avatar movie. I mentioned that in the earlier video, but today we're actually going to fulfill that, and yeah, it'll be a good time. Spending time with the family is always a good time. Now granted, my family sees me every night because they're all a bunch of night owls, and so when I walk in the door usually everybody's still awake, so I do get some time, to communicate and spend with them. But today we get more time, which is priceless. So today we did 7 hours, and lo and behold, I don't know how much closer you can possibly get, but we're at 140.23. The $20 market cap keeps on pounding away and showing its true colors. Come on, DoorDash, at least put some little variables in there, some randomness or something, just so that we can't tell what it is that you're doing. Keep us intrigued. But at any rate, that's where we're at. So far, 15-19-53 for the week. 2 days left. Waste Management opens in town. Super Bowl Sunday. Hopefully it should be at least 360 plus days on Saturday and Sunday. We'll be refreshed, refurbished, ready to go, put a little pep in our steps, and hopefully we can make 2,200 this week or greater. Yeah, you can see I did 14 out of 14 deliveries in that 7-hour time frame. That means that the 9 orders that were thrust upon me as I was in slumberland for the AR attack from DoorDash have been pushed out. So let's go see where we're actually at. Not sure if there's going to be any late stuff that we need to clean up. So we go into our ratings, and yeah, there's one that needs to be cleaned up. Currently we're at an acceptance rate of a 91. So see, 2 days is all it took to push out all that stuff. That's the benefit of working the longer hours. You do more deliveries, and as a result, contract violations and ARs and CRs and all that type of stuff just really doesn't have the bearing as it has on the rest of the masses in the DoorDash arsenal. So let's see, where were we late? Let's go see where we were late. Clicking the late button. Starbucks. Well, of course we were late at Starbucks because we had to wait for that order at Starbucks. And so that's excluded. That won't show up until you actually go on out and refresh. Currently 91 acceptance rate, 100 completion. It'll be 100% on time, setting it up for tomorrow. 5.0 customer rating, 1124 for our 30-day delivery, 47,859 for our lifetime deliveries, edging just that much closer. That's what, 140 away from 4,800. 140 divided by 40, so we're looking at 4 days. In 4 days, so Tuesday, probably dinner rush time. Tuesday we should be hitting 4,800. And yeah, that's the magic of the numbers. When you know what's going on, you know what you produce on a daily basis, you can do all these calculations. You know what you need to do in order to meet all of your metrics. So with that, I'm going to start heading out. I'm going to go throw this video up onto YouTube, and I did schedule everything out for next week just to double check as long as we're in here. Yes, we got a full schedule. Full schedule, 6 to 12 Sunday, 6 to 11:30, 6 a.m. to 12, 6 a.m. to 12, 6 a.m. to 12. Yep, we are all squared away. Schedule's all locked and loaded, and we are ready to go. So with that, I hope that you have a great rest of the day. And for those in the comment section of the videos who wish my daughter a happy birthday, I appreciate that. I will relay the message. I'm sure that she'll be thrilled. So have a great day and spend time with your family. Work hard so that you can play hard. I'm getting ready to go do that right now. So here I go.